Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to download brother DCP-T430W driver on Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to first open any browser. So once you open your browser, on the search bar, just search for this, which is the brother DCP-T430W driver download, and then click on enter. After that, you would see this one right here. So what we're going to do is to just click on this part. And then after that, in this part, you will be able to see this one, which is the step before downloading the driver. So first is we're going to select the operating system of our device, which is Windows. So if you're using a different operating system, just choose which suits you right here. And then for the OS version, all you have to do is to choose the OS version of your operating system. So to know that, just go here on the search bar and then search for system information and then click on open. And then you should be able to see it right here under the system type, which is 64, and then for the OS name, which is Windows 11. So let's say, for example, that we are using a Windows 10 64-bit, just click this one right here. So since I'm using Windows 11, I'm just going to leave it as it is, and then I'm going to click on OK. And then for this one, just scroll down and then look for drivers. And then after that, you will see this printer driver. So just click printer driver right here. And then after that, just scroll down and then click on agree. After that, let's wait for this to finish. After installing, just click on show in folder, and then we're going to extract this file. After that, you will see this folder right here. So what we're going to do next is to go here on the search bar and then search for printers, and then click on open. After opening, just click on add device, and then click on add a new device. After that, click on add a local printer and then click on next. And then for the existing port, just choose any USB port that you would see right here. But in my case, I don't have that, so I'm just gonna click on null and then click on next again. After that, just click on have disk and then click on browse. And then in this part, we're going to click on downloads and then look for the file that we have just extracted. After that, you will see this one right here. So what we're going to do next is to click this file right here and then click on OK. After that, all you have to do is to look for our printer, which is right here. So what we're going to do next, once it is selected, is to click on next, and then click on next again, and then the driver will now be automatically installed into your PC. After that, just click on do not share, and then click on finish. After that, if you scroll down, you will now be able to see it right here. So that is basically it.